Today, we're going to talk about 3 reasons or 3 ways to get rehired by your clients. These are 3 ideas, 3 things that you can use, you can implement right now that should bring you money. These are 3 tips that I've used, and I'm going to share them with you right now. But first, you know what we're going to do? We're going to roll graphics. So sit tight and let's do that. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? If this is your first time on this channel right here, my name is Ty Turner. I'm a former Army combat photographer. And this right here is FlashFilm Academy. If you want to learn how to take better pictures and make your girlfriend look a little cuter, this ain't the channel. If you want to understand the business side, you want to understand how to get that bag, this is the place you need to be. Today, we're going to talk about we're going to give you some tips. We're going to give you some understanding. We're going to give you 3 things you should be doing to help you bring in more business. Your client you already have a relationship with. It is easier to sell a client you have a relationship with than it is for you to reestablish yourself with a new client. So number 1, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is, remember how I say there's a time and place for email? This is the time and place for email. It's not to establish yourself or introduce yourself or, meet someone. It's to re-engage with a client you already have. Email works 50% greater when you have a relationship with that client. They're more likely to open that email because they know who you are and they've opened emails from you before. It won't automatically go to the spam folder. They've opened emails for drafts or updates or proposals from you before. When they see an email from you, they're likely to open it and see what you have to say. So this is the time to contact them. Remember, you are a business. So send them an offer for a coupon. Give them 30% off and put a time limit on it. A lot of you guys are in business and you sell a product or a service, which remember, we're trying to shape that service as a product, and we need to start to send discounts. We need to make sure we're taking advantage of the holidays. We're thinking like consumers and we're looking to save money on holiday sales, but we're not thinking of ways to make money during holidays. You got to start thinking of ways to make money during holidays. Start looking at them that way. Start planning your business around holidays. I need you to start thinking like that. Look at all the businesses around you that do all kind of things. Look at how grills go on sale around the 4th of July. Fireworks stands open. Candy companies prepare for Halloween. You need to start to build your brand around certain holidays. Right now, companies are having a hard time hiring. You think they wouldn't want a 4th of July recruiting video sale? As we go into fall, people are going to want to make money for the holidays. That means they're going to want a job. That means retailers are going to want to hire for that seasonal positions. That whole industry is going to need people. That means companies are going to need to hire. You're going to want to be in a situation where you are making sure companies can hire. Prepare for that. Make sure you are ready. So step number 1 is use email to contact previous companies that you've worked with to offer a promotion. And I'm gonna tell you what I used to do is when I was doing headshots, I would offer a free group shot for every 10 headshots that they got. Or I would offer free teeth whitening with a certain amount of headshots or every headshot. Or I would offer free skin smoothing or free touch-ups with every headshot that they purchase. If you're doing 1 or 2 headshots, that's fine. Find something that doesn't cost you much to add in to the sale. Something that you're not losing a lot of profit that will bring you in an extra $200-300. So number 2 is I offer a referral program, right? A referral cashback program. Contact clients you already know and offer a referral cashback program. So let me tell you how I do it. I'm gonna give you a little bit of something extra for you because I do a referral kind of cashback program or a BOGO program similar to what you were saying. I do a referral program that's a buy one, get one. So I do a testimonial video where if you refer somebody to get a testimonial video, I will shoot a testimonial video for you. Well, Ty, how do you do that? Doesn't that cost a lot? Isn't that a lot? Let me tell you a situation where how I do it. Because I've worked with corporate event planners who will refer me to a company that owned a venue, right? So in this case, I had a corporate event planner and they will refer me to their venue companies that they've used. So corporate event planners, when a company contact them to create this event for them, they have venues that they like to go to. They'll book certain venues. Those venues sometimes offer kickbacks to that corporate event because the venue will have food and everything to make a lot of money from those events. Usually they'll refer me to that venue who want a testimonial. When that venue pays me for a testimonial, I'll shoot 2 testimonials from that client, right? So that client will bring in a customer who will say on one testimonial, hey, I really enjoyed this venue. This venue was awesome. It was the best bowling experience I've had. The bowling was great. The food was great, yada, yada, yada. All right, cut. Now tell me about the event. Hey, the event was well planned. It was on time. I enjoyed the venue. The food was great, yada, yada, yada. Guess what? I got 2 different testimonials from one person at one time. It cost me nothing extra. So I got 2 for the price of 1. I booked that one client. I satisfied both in the same sitting with the same lighting, and all I had to do was hit record an extra time. But because I presented it in a buy one, get one way, I was able to book a client. It's all about how you present it. Don't just be creative behind the camera, be creative in the business side. I encourage you to be creative in other ways. So I want you guys to be creative in how you offer it. I want you guys to make sure that you are looking at what you offer and you're offering it as a product and not just as a service. That's why I push you guys to not think of what you're offering as just a service. That's why I'm trying to tell you to put it in the idea of boxes and put it in the idea of products. Because once you start to look at what you offer as a product, you can think of upsells. You can think of ways to sell it as a product. You can think of ways of packaging what you offer, with the discounts and BOGO offers and as holiday items. Be creative with the business side of what you offer so that you can offer it and you can be creative in the ways that you offer it for your client. So email it to your clients, right? Email your clients with special promotions. Offer valuable add-ons for free as a promotional upsell or a free giveaway. Be creative with what you offer so that clients will have a reason to want to work with you again. You can keep recycling the same clients over and over again. Sometimes it's not always about going out getting new clients. I've worked with the same 50 clients for the past 5 years. So you have to develop that. Like it's great to be creative behind the camera, but be creative on the business side of things. That is what I am encouraging you all to do. Think of ways to help your client consistently. All right, y'all. Everybody else, be safe. Hit the like button. And I will see you guys next week.